If you like cute things, I think you're gonna love this little bunny. Grab a cuppa, get cozy, and come spend some time with me while I make this sweet crochet bunny from start to finish. I've been designing a series of cute little block animals lately. Something simple, beginner friendly, and fun to customize with different accessories. That's the tail done. Moving on to the body now. For this bunny, I was picturing a white rabbit holding a carrot with some kind of cute little accessory on the ear. I didn't know exactly what was the accessory will be yet, but I knew I wanted the whole design to feel soft and adorable. Because I wanted this to be beginner friendly, I also tried to keep the sewing to a minimum. So the tail is actually joined as you crochet, and the only parts that needed attaching later are the ears. This time I actually didn't begin with a sketch. Instead, I looked through a bunch of rabbit photos for inspiration, and when I saw this, I knew I wanted to make something along these lines. Also, yes, the floppy ear rabbits are absolutely adorable too, so that's officially going to be on my future to-do list. Lately, I've been completely obsessed with chenille yarn. Not that I needed more yarn. I mean, or maybe I do. But let's not talk about the state of my studio right now. I chose white for the bunny because it felt like the easiest starting point while figuring out the overall color palette. There were three main elements to balance: the bunny, the carrot, and the accessory. And I wanted all of the colors to work nicely together. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support my little channel. Thank you, friends. Making the two little ears. Now, embroidery time. I wanted to keep it really simple and cute. I think it's already started to feel so much more alive. Before doing anything else, I wanted to attach the carrot first, just to see how everything is looking together, you know? Because honestly, I'm very much designing as I go, and so far, so good. Nothing needed redoing, which is honestly always a win. And now I decided to add a little blush. I was actually tossing between these two pink colors, decided with the darker one. I feel like something is still missing, so I went in with a few finishing touches around the eyes. I always struggle when it comes to naming my designs, but in the end, I decided to call her Carrot Bunny. And that was it. I'm in love. Let's start thinking about the accessory. I decided to try a ribbon, to use the same pink as the blush to tie everything together. My idea was to turn it into a little ribbon brooch, so it could be taken on and off whenever we want to. Now that this is done, I still feel like it needed something extra. So let's add a few pearls to elevate this and add a more elegant touch to it. Now let's give this a go and put it on. And this is how she turned out. Sweet and honestly so versatile. With the ribbon on, she has this softer, more girly look. And without it, I feel like she turned into a little boy rabbit, which honestly is still cute too. I really love how customizable it is. If you like to make your own, the pattern is now available in my shop with a special early bird launch. Or if you join any of my membership, you'll also get instant access to this pattern, plus my other available crochet patterns too. What do you think? Ribbon on or ribbon off? Take care, my love, and if you'd like to see the first plushie in this block animal series, you can watch this video next.